Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add watermark on Pixieset. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in pixieset.com. Go to the dashboard, so it's account.pixieset.com/dashboard to go here. Now what you need to do, you can add a text or image watermark to your Pixieset galleries to protect your photos and display your branding. So how you can do this? First of all, you need to go and have a watermark. So a watermark could be anything, actually. It can be, you can go and put in an original photo, a text to saying your name, the name of your company or anything, or you can just go and upload a watermark that you created, let's say in Photoshop, and just go and drag it on the image. Now, how you can do it? Well, you can go to your photo editor. So click on the photo editor. This is the last one here, where you can edit your photos. You can go and click on a new project to start a new project, or you can click on an old one also. Now, click on the photos here, where you can of course go and edit photos however you want. You can do whatever you want here. Of course, on the photos, now you can just go and of course put in the watermark here. So basically, when you're here, you have the sample. I have a sample project here, but I have some photos here. And if of course, if I want to go and add the watermark, you can just go and drag and drop it, or you can of course go and put it in here to actually go and have the watermark here. You can also go, as I told you, put in a text. That's also an option on the picture, and then you can go and export a photo, and you'll then have it saved in your project, or of course, or you can just publish it live like that if you want to do it in that way. And that's how you can do it. So basically, just go in the photo editor and put in your watermark. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.